And then with my program, by the way, I took, journalist diploma program in journalism.
Yeah. How long did it take you to
That
finish the
was 2
course?
years.
Okay.
Yeah, 2-year journey for that one.
Yeah.
And then in between, we had our semestral break.
Yeah.
So for international students as well, or for those who are planning, to go here as international students.
Yeah.
So we have these semestral breaks with our school. Other schools, dire-diretso. But in
Yeah.
my case, nagkaroon ako ng semestral break in between. So that's the time for
Gaano
you
siya katagal?
guys.
Yeah.
Like 4 months.
Okay.
Like 4 months, 3 to 4 months. So that's that perfect time as well na humataw ka naman sa trabaho, ganyan.
Okay,
Kasi
yeah.
syempre you have to sustain, you're living and
Yeah.
iisipin mo talaga yung tuition fee mo. Kasi
Mahal, yeah.
of course, mahal talaga siya. It's 4 times the price of, the local students tuition fee. Talagang
Oh, okay.
multiply it
4
into
times.
4, ganun. Ganun siya kamahal in a semester. So when you convert it in peso, talagang it's a big money already
Yeah.
for one semester. You gotta
So guys,
spend it.
ano lang, parang may insight sila.
Yeah.
Aabot ba siya ng milyon?
Overall, talagang sa buong pag-aaral mo, yes, aabutin
Okay.
ka talaga nun.
Okay. So i-ready niyo na yung mga milyones.
Yun nga.
Yeah.
And I was, just blessed enough to have a supportive,
Yeah.
people around me who helped me really, to survive, that
Yeah.
rough journey of mine. But
Yeah.
then I did not forget to enjoy. Talagang going back to your question,
Yeah.
talagang I spend, time with these people,
Yeah.
doing assignments, doing projects, talagang we collaborate. Ganun
Yeah.
yung naging strategy namin noon, which was really helpful naman
Yeah.
to every one of us. So,
Yeah.
even if we don't see each other, like often this time, hindi kami nagme-message yung mga classmate ko.
Yeah.
But then, we are still connected. Majority naman, we're still connected, which is really good.
Kasi ang busy talaga ng buhay
Yeah,
dito sa
of
Canada,
course.
'di ba? You have
Yeah.
to work and then ayun nga. So after that, so